Want faster results and better SEO for your WordPress site? Discover how to use the AI image alt text generator to create accurate, SEO-friendly alt text for your images in no time. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New Plugins. Search here for AI image alt text generator for WP. Install and activate the plugin. Now go to AI alt text generator. You'll notice that your plan credit is at 0. To proceed, we'll need an API key. Let's explore how to get a free key. Click Get Started for free. Fill out the sign-up form completely. Then click on Create Account. You'll receive a verification link in your email inbox. Go to Email. Open Mail and click on Activate Account. Here you can see your API key. Click here to copy your API key. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Go to AI Alt Text Generator Settings. Then paste your API key here. Click on the Save button. Now click on AI Alt Text Generator. See, now you have 40 free credits available. Now we'll explore how to generate alt text for all images in bulk. You'll see the total number of images on your WordPress site and how many of them are currently missing alt text. Go to Bulk Image Alt Text Generator. Click on Generate Alt Text. All your image alt text will be generated in just a few seconds. Another important thing to note is that if you have many images, you can generate them in bulk. You can continue with other tasks or even shut down your device, and the process will automatically continue without wasting your time. Let's check if the bulk processing has been generated or not. See the alt text generated for all images.